Today I'm going to replace these old and leaky valve cover gaskets. What's up everybody? Welcome back to Wrench at Home. This is my Squarebody truck. It's a 1980 GMC Sierra stepside with a Chevy 350 small block. I'm going to replace the old leaky valve cover gaskets on the engine today. As you can see, the engine is a bit sweaty on both sides, with oil running down the cylinder heads. I will also replace these crusty valve cover hold down bolts with some shiny new ones. They're the same as the ones on the truck right now, except I never got the top wing parts that you actually have to use to loosen them. The gaskets I'm going to use are these reusable blue Fel-pro performance gaskets. A bunch of people were recommending these online, so I'll give them a try. I'll start by removing some plug wires to make some more room and start loosening up the valve cover bolts. I have a couple of dirty rags nearby to clean up all the oily bits. After removing the valve cover, the rocker arms and valve springs become visible. In my case, these were all nice and tight. It's a bit milkshaky inside of this valve cover, but the oil on the springs looks good enough for a 40-year-old engine. I clean the excess oil and some remains of gasket sealant off the parts of the head where the new gasket is going to go. And I use a bit of brake cleaner to clean up the oil running down the side of the engine. When you place the new gasket, make sure you put it on the right way. On these gaskets there's a small label that says push rod side, telling you which way it has to go. They are a combination of a molded silicone rubber with a steel core. I clean the inside of the valve cover with brake cleaner and all the oil and residue comes right off. Very satisfying. I give the outside of the cover a rub down with some steel wool to clean up a bit of the rust pitting. There's probably a better way of doing this, but it will work for now. Then it's as simple as putting the cover back on and tightening it down, reattach the spark plug wires and the PCV valve. These old valve cover bolts sure have seen better days. I'm glad I ordered new ones. I apply a tiny amount of copper grease on the bolt threads before bolting them down tight, so next time I have to remove them it will be a breeze. I like the retro look of these, and they make valve cover removal fast and easy, without having to use any tools whatsoever. Now for the other side, it's just repeating the exact same process. Loosen the bolts, remove the cover and the old gaskets, give everything a good cleaning, put the new gasket in place and put it all back together. And boom! New valve cover gaskets are done. A simple job that really anybody can do themselves on these old engines. That's it for this video. Thanks for hanging out with me. If you liked today's episode, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel to see future updates on my truck and other projects. Take care everybody. Bye!